Hello everybody, welcome to my challenge activity 9.15.1 list link list. So in this activity, we are basically just arranging the order of the code. So right now they give us the order of 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then at the bottom of these code there will be a letter modification, which is add, set, and remove. So basically, if we look at the first change to the code, it say add 1 to I, which means that 1 is right here. So we still write out 1, which is E, but then we add I afterward. So that would be EI. And then the next line is 2, which is F. But it said that right here, letter remove 2, so we move the F, so we don't write it down. And for 3, which is G, is keep writing it, it's fine. But for the letter set 4, which is H right here, we are gonna change it or set it to J instead of H. So that would be J, and then there you go. Boom, right there. And then the next code, we are basically adding down numbers. So from this while loop right here, we don't have to worry. We just have to go down in a row. So, but if we see that we are adding number 3 and 5, and then we just see that these two are the important ones right here, the next, and then you add 4. So basically what this next mean is that you're looking from 1 and 2, right? So if you start with 1, it tells you like there's only like one next. So basically from 1 you move to 2, and then you add 4 over there. So instead of like 5 being at the second place, it would move down to the third place, because the next will simply just the next of 4, which is take over the 5 place. So it would be something like this: 4, oh sorry, 5 and 4. Oh oops, that's the wrong number, sorry. So if talking about that, alright, let's just try this new one, because sorry about that. So if we just add 14 and add 15, but then we see that we move down 2 places, and then you add 16, which means 14. That's mean 1, 2, and 3. So we move down these 2 to add here. 14, 15, and 16. There you go. This one is quite confusing to explain, but it's just that we have to remove some number from this. So you see that like the first number doesn't change, but instead the previous number of these 2 code will be removed and will be set to 21 right there. Alright, thank you for tuning in. Good luck.